Hello everyone, hope that you all are doing fantastic. By the way, as you know that I'm Saurav Roy. In this video, I'm going to talk about relatives. So let's talk about relatives. The first question for this topic: do you often visit your relatives' house? To be honest, whenever I get time, I try to visit my relatives' house. Nowadays, I'm living outside for my study purpose. On weekend or on holiday, when I go to my home, at that time, if I get time, I try to visit my relatives' house because I personally believe that it is very important to talk to my relatives and as well as to connect with them. Then the next question: what do you do when you visit their house? Well, normally when I go to my relative's house, at that time we sit together and we gossip for long times. We discuss about different topic and as well as what is happening in our day-to-day life. We discuss about it because I personally believe that relatives as like a family member, you can easily believe them as well as you feel safe. So this is the reason basically I can say that whenever I go to my relatives house, I gossip with my relatives, but sometimes I go to eat for dinner or sometimes I go to eat for lunch. Then the next question: do you prefer to spend time with your relatives or friend? I personally prefer both because both are important. If I talk about my relatives, relatives are like a family member. You can easily trust them, you can easily share your ideas, share your goal, and whenever you face any problem, your relatives or your family member will save you as well as they will help you. It doesn't matter what type of problem you are facing in your life. So definitely, I have to say that relatives are very important as well as sometimes you can face a lot of problem in your life, but you are not able to share those problems with your family member or with your relatives at the time. You can share those problems with your friends. Friend will help you. So I can say that both are very important. Last but not least, I can say that when I gossip with my life as well as whenever I need any helps at the time, I can say that I can easily share with my family members as well as with my relatives. But on the other hand, if I want to spend fun moment at that time, I can easily go to long tour or short tour with my friends. So like this way, I can say that both are very important. Then the last question from this topic: do you like your relatives? Definitely, I like my relatives a lot because they are as like my family member. Whenever I face any problem, they always support me as well as they help me. On weekend or on holiday, if I get time, normally I go to my relatives' house. I gossip with them sometimes through my mobile phone. In a two times or three times I try to talk with my relatives, so I can say that I like my relatives a lot. Well, that's all about the relatives. By the way, thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, tata.